Hi, this is Joe with H4H. We're doing a progress video on a kitchen remodel. Last week we showed you what we were going to do, but we forgot to tell you about the bathroom. So this bathroom we got demoed. The layout's going to stay the same, but it's going to get a new vanity, a new tub, new shower surround, toilet, tile, flooring, fresh paint, new lighting. Also, we're going to get new tile in the common areas out here. As you've seen in the last video, there was a wall right here, which we removed, and we put this temporary wall up to support the ceiling while we put in this drop beam. So the fridge is going to be here. There's going to be some cabinets, countertop, some uppers. The uppers are going to go all the way up to the ceiling. This 72-inch sliding glass door is going to shrink down to 60 inches. So we got a room for the cabinetry over here. This is going to be a peninsula island that's going to come out right here. We're going to have some pendant lights that come down. So if you want to check out some of the other progress videos as we move along in this project, I'm just going to have to end it right there. Just end it.
Okay.